Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic, here to demonstrate an adjustment, what it looks like, and what I'm looking for during an adjustment. I start at the feet, I look at leg length. This is Beth. She has a left leg that's slightly shorter than the right. Bend the knees, give them a push to find that her right leg is slightly restricted in flexion. So I'm going to go ahead and do the adjustment first to the left pelvic bone or the ilium to help with the short left leg. This is called a drop adjustment. And then I'm going to come over to the right side of the sacrum, which is the tailbone, and adjust that to help with the restriction when she bends her knees. So that when I come back here, the legs are even. Put them in flexion, little push, they're equally flexible. So now I know that I have the pelvis balanced with her. Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic.